Hi, this is Dan Smith, and I was just going through some notes that I've written in the past, and I came across a saying there that says that the success is the intelligent application of previous failure when applied with a positive mental attitude. You know, as we grow up, we're taught that we should never fail. We're taught that we should get A's in school and not B's or C's or D's or even F's. We're taught that we should never fail in anything. But you know what? Is that really logical? What I've been finding in reading in different books and different things that I've done, that really success is found in a willingness to fail. Because if you're not willing to fail, then you're not going to be moving forward. If you're not willing to go make a mistake, then you'll never move forward. That if you're not willing to fail, then you'll never succeed. Because success is found in going through failure as you march towards success. Because everything that you learn in life, when you're in a learning stage, you're going to fail. You're going to fall. That's like expecting a baby to go straight from the crib to walking into the kitchen grabbing a snack on their own. You know, that baby's going to fall repeatedly until they reach a point where they're able to walk on their own. So, success is the application of previous failure when applied with a positive mental attitude. So if you want to move forward in life, if you want to have success, that's going to be found in a willingness to fail and learn from your failures and then move on in life. So this is Dan Smith. Hope this was a helpful tip for you. Go out, take the knowledge and the information that you've been given in life and go out and fail on your own so that you too can have success. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video.